was the same thing we heard that first night. And here we are back. Just like before.
Hey, what's going on? What's going on? Where's the ball? Where's the ball, pal? What are you doing with the ball?
There's a wave there on my back. I can smell the
He just wants the ball. Look, he just wants the ball. This one. He wants this one. Who wants it? Oh, he got it. Yeah, he got it. Yeah, you gotta play a pill now.
I couldn't breathe out and I hear. So there's no one there. That means quit messing with it. My head was killing me. I just wanted to make it absurd.
As I walked in through the hallway, I could smell a really strong smell of cigar smoke. And I was kind of mad because I'm like, who's smoking cigars in the house? And so I came upstairs to Matt and I said, who is in the house? Someone's smoking in the house. And he said, oh, I hit my head in the basement, and I could tell on his face that he was seeing something.